In CreateSpace, you have a built-in library that has a lot of shapes that you can use on some of your projects. So the library is found right here, the little book icon with a star. You can click on it and this window will appear. Now you can sort of see that inside the library folder we have access to a little over 300 different shapes from the entire sections here. And if you wanted to bring in a shape, maybe you wanted to bring in a heart, you can either click on the little rounded square and it will bring it onto your mat, or you can drag it there as well. Okay. Now, the other neat thing that the library has is a search feature. It will search for the name of the shape. So if you wanted to search for heart, you'll see them displayed there. So it gives you a filtered list. If I wanted to see what was in the library for football, I can look at that and I'm like, okay, I really want a helmet on there. And I can bring that helmet onto the mat. Now you are able to favorite items as well. So if you're using the football helmet so often that you wanted to favorite it, you can right click and add to favorites. And now your favorites folder will be contained with the files that you use the most. So that's another way to utilize your library. Another thing that CreateSpace allows you to do is to import your own designs into your library. So maybe you have that SVG file that you are constantly using and you would like to have access to it in your library. You can definitely do that. So all of those imports will have to happen under My Designs. You can create a new folder. For this, I'm going to call it Animal. And then I'm going to click OK. Inside here, I'm going to create a new reference file, and I'm going to bring in the hedgehog. So I'm going to click on that, click Open, and now I have a hedgehog that I can use on any of my projects. So I can click on it, and I just added the SVG file for the hedgehog onto my project, and I can have access to that library item on any other project when I open up CreateSpace.